Hello everyone, I welcome you all on the course of microprocessor and computer architecture. In this course, basically we are going to cover the 8086 microprocessor architectures, its instruction set, interrupt service routines, and concept of assembly programming. Apart from that, we are also going to cover RISC architecture, in which we are going to take the Minimips RISC architecture where we will teach you how to design the data path, ALU, and how to define the instruction set format. Apart from this, we will also cover you the concept of cache memory and virtual memory. So, and this course will brief you about the how virtual memory will be helpful in current advanced processors. In this particular course, we have kept 8086 processor because till today, all the available recent processor having a 86 ISA is in the backbone of that instruction set architecture. And you are knowing currently ARM is booming, in which you are having a fundamental of RISC architecture. So this way, this course comprises of CISC because 8086 follows the CISC architecture and Minimips follows the RISC architecture. So both the architecture will be covered in this particular subject as well as the designing of RISC processor. In this particular session of today's lecture, I am going to brief you about what is the importance of this course in electronics and communication engineering, what are the assessment mechanism, or you can say the assessment technique I am going to be used for this particular course. Also, I will brief you about that what are the objective will be addressed throughout the course, and what could be the learning outcome once you understand and complete this course successfully. So in this assessment method, I will brief you about how the assessment will be taken care as a part of class test, comprehensive evaluation, and spatial assignment. So the detailed explanation will be given in this particular session, and towards the end I will brief you about the resources available in form of available on a course website, course blog, or recently new Moodle platform. I will also give you the list of textbooks and reference books which will help you out to learn this particular course. So with this, I will welcome you all on this particular course. Enjoy the learning. Thank you.